In today's fast-paced business world, staying compliant with regulations is not just a checkbox, it's a lifesaver. Since the UAE introduced value-added tax on January 1st, 2018, businesses have been quick to adopt. Did you know more than 3,000 companies already are VAT registered in the UAE? If you are not that in the list, don't sweat, we have got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the VAT registration process into simple, digestible steps that will make you say, well, that was really easy. So let's dive in. First thing you need to check is, do you need to register or no? And for that, you need to figure out what's your annual taxable supplies and imports. If that exceeds more than 375,000, you are in the mandatory VAT club. No skipping this one. However, if you're sitting around 87,000, you have the option to register voluntarily. Why? Because you need to reclaim input VAT, meaning extra cash in your business in your pocket. Who does not love more money in the bank? Then what next? Create your e-services account. Ready to kick off things? Contact us at DhanGuard and we will assist you in your VAT registration process. It's a simple process. Just share your details. We will guide you through the setup. We are here to make the entire process smooth as possible for you. Then fill out the VAT registration process. Here comes the main event, filling out the form. But hey, don't worry, we are again there to cover you. Section 1 in this form is applicant details. Enter your business basic info like trade license, address and legal structure. Are you flying solo or running the company as limited liability? There is when it becomes official. Number 2 in the process is business details. Here you will describe about your business activities. Are you importing, exporting, dealing in the tech or maybe in retail? Lay it out all. Numbers don't lie, but they do help. Number 3 is about VAT eligibility. In this section, you need to declare, are you over 375,000 threshold or you are registering voluntarily? Be honest here because fudging the numbers is not the way to go. Number 4 is financial information. Give a clear view of your annual turnover. The more accurate, the more better. This is what determines your VAT eligibility. And remember, good bookkeeping can save you from bad headaches later. Number 5 is uploading supporting documents. Time for the paperwork. Here's what you will need to prepare. Copy of trade license, passport and Emirates ID of all shareholders, bank statement showing your financial activity. Now the big moment, submit your application. With our help, we will keep track of your submissions, follow up and ensuring everything is processed without a hitch. And then receive your VAT certificate. Here's your victory lap. Once it is approved, you will receive your VAT certificate with compliance of tax. Register number, which is called TRN, your golden ticket to start charging VAT and reclaim it with your expenses. Now you're officially part of the VAT club. So well, time to wrap it up. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to VAT registration in the UAE. Not as intimidating as it sounds, right? By getting VAT registered, you are not just ticking off a compliance box. You're setting your business for better cash flow and long-term growth. Need help with this process? That's where DhanGuard comes in. Let us take care of the nitty-gritty while you focus on what's best for growing your business. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with others. Thank you so much.